Morning student, class 9th polynomial. In last video, we discussed about the division algorithm of polynomials and we did some application part. Now, today we will do the exercise 2.3. Question number first. Here two polynomials are given. One polynomial is px, another polynomial is gx. And we have to divide the px by gx and we have to find the quotient as well as remainder. So when we have to divide two given polynomial, then first of all we will write both the given polynomial in decreasing order of their degrees. So here px is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 and gx is x square minus 2. Now we have to divide this x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 by x square minus 2. So first of all, we will observe the highest degree term of both the polynomial. So in dividend, first term is x cube and in divisor x square. So if we multiply the divisor by x, then x cube minus 2x. On subtracting, minus plus, so this will be cancelled out. And here minus 3x square as it is, 5x plus 2x, that is 7x, and minus 3 is as it is. Now in the remainder, the highest degree term is minus 3x square and in divisor is x square. So if we multiply by minus 3 to the divisor, we will get minus 3x square minus 3 minus 2, that is plus of 6. Again subtract the term, so this will be plus and this will be minus. So this will be cancelled out. 7x is as it is and minus 3 minus 6, that is minus 9. So if we multiply here by this plus of, now here see the remainder is 7x minus 9 whose degree is less than the degree of divisor. So here quotient is this. Quotient is your x minus 3 and this is remainder. So in this way we will divide. So quotient is equals to x minus 3 and remainder is 7x minus 9. So this is the question number first. Now let us see question number second. Second part of question number first. So when we have to divide two polynomials, then the most important thing is, first of all, we have to write the given polynomial in the decreasing order of their degrees. So the question number first, second question is px is equals to x power 4 minus 3x square plus of 4x plus of 5 and gx is equals to, gx is given x square minus of x plus of 1. So check, px is x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 and gx is x square minus x, x square minus x plus 1. So now what we have to do? We have to divide the px by gx. So write the px, x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 in the decreasing order of the degrees. First term degree is 4, then square, then 1 and then 0. And now we have to divide this by x square minus of x plus 1. So what we will do? Whenever we have to divide one polynomial by the another polynomial, then first of all, we will observe the highest degree term. So here 4 degree and here 2 degree. So if we multiply the divisor by x square, then x square into x x power 4, x square into minus x, that is minus x cube, x square into plus 1. So this will be x square. So to write the corresponding term, here we will write plus x square and minus x cube as out. So now on subtracting, minus, minus and plus. So this will be cancel out. Highest degree, again first we will write the x cube, then minus 3x square minus x square, that is minus 4x square plus 4x plus of 5. Again see the highest degree term is x cube. So if we multiply the divisor by x, then x into x square, that is x cube, plus x into minus x, that is minus x square, and x into 1, that is plus of x. So on subtracting, change the sign, minus, plus, minus. So this term will be cancel out, minus 4x square plus x square, that is minus 3x square, 4x minus x, that is minus of 3x plus of 5. Again see the highest degree term is minus 3x square. So if we multiply by minus 3, then minus of 3x square, minus 3 into minus, that is plus of 3x, and then minus 3 into plus of 1, that is minus 3. So on subtracting, this will be plus, this will be minus, and this will be plus. So these two terms will be cancelled. The remaining term is minus 3x, that is minus of 6x, plus 5 plus 3, that is plus of 8. Here see, this is the remainder because the degree of remainder is 1 and degree of the divisor is 2. So now next division is not possible. So here quotient equals to x square plus of x minus 3 and remainder equals to minus of 6x plus of 8. So in this way we can divide this polynomial px by the polynomial gx. The next question, divide the polynomial. First question, third part, px is equals to x raised to the power 4 minus 5x plus 6 and gx is equals to minus x square plus of 2. So this is the dividend and this is divisor. So write px x power 4 minus 5x plus of 6 and we have to divide this by minus x square plus 2. So see, the highest degree term is 4 in the dividend and divisor is minus x square. So if we multiply by minus of x square, then minus plus x square into x square, x power 4 minus x square into plus 2, that is minus 2x square. We will write it separate because in the given polynomial px, x square term is not exist. Now for subtraction, change the sign, so minus and plus. This will be cancel out. Now write the highest degree term first. So 2x square minus of 5x plus c. Again see, the given divisor is minus x square. So if we multiply by minus 2, then minus plus and 2x square, then minus 2 into plus 2, that is minus 4. Again on subtracting, change the sign. So this is minus and this will be plus. So this will be cancel out. Remaining will be minus of 5x plus of 10. See, this is the remainder because its highest degree is 1. And now the next division is not possible because the highest degree of the divisor is 2. So the quotient is minus x square minus 2 and the remainder is equals to minus of 5x plus 10. So in this way we can divide the given polynomial by given polynomial gx. Now question number second. So in question number third there was 3 question and all 3 we have did. Question number second, read the carefully. Check whether the first polynomial is the factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. If one polynomial is the factor of second polynomial, then it will complete divide the second polynomial and remainder will be 0. So question number second, first part, let the first polynomial be gx and it is equals to t square minus 3 and second polynomial px, it is equals to, we can take it as gt and pt. So pt is given equals to 2t power 4 plus 3t square minus 2t square minus of 9t minus of 12. So first polynomial is t square minus 3. So let the first polynomial gt barabar t square minus 3. Second polynomial let pt and pt is given 2t4 plus 3t square minus 2t square minus 9t and minus 12. Now it is given that the first polynomial that is gt is the factor of second, then we have to divide this pt by the gt. So if gt is the factor of pt, then its remainder will be 0. So how we will divide pt by gt? So pt divided by gt will be, how we will divide? Write pt first. So pt is 2t power 4 plus 3t square minus 2t square minus of 9t minus of 12. So this is the dividend and now divisor is t square minus 3. So both the polynomial are in decreasing order of the degrees. So observe the highest degree term, that is 2t power 4 in the dividend and divisor is t square. So if we multiply it by 2t square to the divisor, then 2t square into t square, that is 2t power 4. Then 2t square minus 3 minus of 6t square. Subtract the corresponding term. So for the subtraction change the sign. So minus and plus. This will be cancelled out. 3t square plus 6t square, that is 9t square minus 2t square something is wrong. Here it was 2t cube, 2t cube, 3t cube. So here this is the 3t cube. So this term will be, sorry, some by mistake we wrote here. Here was 3t square, 3t square and 3t cube, sorry, and then minus 2t square. So here 2t square into minus 3. So 2t square into minus 3, that is minus 6t square. So it will be plus. Then 3t cube will be as it is and minus 2t square plus 6t square, that is plus 4t square minus 9t minus 12. Now see, the highest degree term is 3t cube. So how we will find? This will be, if we multiply by 3t, then 3t into t square, 3t cube. Then 3t into minus 3, that is minus 9 of t. So this is minus 9 of t. Now on subtracting, So this will be minus and this will be plus. So these two terms directly will be vanish. So remaining is 4t square minus 12. So if we multiply by plus 4, then plus 4 into t square, that is 4t square, and 4 into minus 3, that is minus 12. On subtraction, change the sign minus plus. So these two terms will be cancelled out. Remainder is 0. So t square minus 3 is the factor of pt, and the quotient is 2t square plus 3t plus of 4. So in this way, if the one given polynomial is the factor of another, then on division the remainder will be 0 and the quotient will be our answer. So let us take next question. Second question is, we have to prove that the polynomial px is equals to 3x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2, and gx is given. Gx is x square plus 3x plus of 1. What we have to prove? We have to prove that this gx is the factor of this px. So divide the px by gx. So px divided by gx, we have write the px in decreasing order of the degrees. So first term 3x power 4, 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus of 2. Here gx is x square plus 3x plus 1. See, the highest degree term is 3x की power 4. So if we multiply by 3x square, then 3x square into x square, 3x power 4, then 3x square into 3x, 9x cube, then 3x square plus 1, that is 3x square. On subtracting, minus minus minus, so it will be cancelled out. 5x cube minus 9x cube, that is minus 4x cube, and minus 7x square minus 3x square minus 10x square plus of 2x plus of 2. See the again highest degree term minus 4x cube. So if we multiply by minus 2x, then minus 2x into x square, that is minus of 4x. So minus 4x into x square minus 4x cube minus 4x into plus of 3x, so minus 12x square minus 12x square minus 4x into plus 1, that is minus of 4x. On subtracting, this will be plus, this will be plus, and this will be also plus. So these two terms will be cancelled out. Minus 10x square plus 12x square, that is 2x square, and plus 2x plus 2x plus of 4x, that is plus of 6x plus of 2. So if we multiply by plus of 2, then 2 into x square, that is 2x square, 2 into 3x, that is plus of 6x, then 2 into 1, that is plus of 2. So on subtracting, remainder will be 0, all term will be vanish. So here remainder is 0, therefore the given polynomial gx is the factor of the given px, and the quotient is your 3x square minus of 4x plus 2. Now let us take next question. The third one is, given polynomial is question number 2, part 3rd. See very carefully. x px is equals to x raised to the power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus of 3x plus of 1, and the gx is x cube minus 3x plus 1. Check it. X power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1, and the given gx is x cube minus 3x plus 1. And what we have to prove? We have to prove that the given gx is the one factor of px. So we will divide the given px by gx and remainder should be 0. So for px divided by gx, we have, how we will divide? Write first the px, that is x power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. So this is the dividend. Now divisor is x cube minus 3 of x plus of 1. Now to divide this px by the gx, first of all we have to write all the term in decreasing order of the degrees. Then divide, observe the highest degree term. So in divisor x cube and dividend x power 5. So if we multiply the divisor by x square, then x square into x cube, only you have to check the first term. How we will get the x ki power 5? Then you have to multiply x square by whole the divisor. So x square will be multiplied by x cube, then it will be x power 5, then x square into minus 3x, that is minus 3 x cube, x square into x cube, then x square plus 1, that is plus of x square. Now on subtracting, minus plus minus. So it will be cancel out, minus 4x cube plus 3x square, that is minus x cube. Then x square minus x square will be again cancel out. So minus x cube plus of 3x plus of 1. So if we multiply by minus 1, then minus x cube minus 1 into minus 3, that is plus 3x, minus 1 into plus 1, that is minus 1. So here the gx is also plus 1. So here on subtracting, this will be plus, this will be minus, and this will be plus. So this will be cancel out, this will be also cancel out, and 1 plus 1, remainder is 2. So the quotient is, quotient equals to x square minus 1 and the remainder is equals to 2. In this way, we will solve the next question. Now the next question, very important question, question number 3. Obtain all other zeros of the polynomial px is equals to 3x raised to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus of 10x minus of 5 if the two zeros are, let the two zeros are x is equals to minus root 5 by 3 and x is equals to minus root 5 by 3. What we have given, one polynomial is given, and of this given polynomial, two of the zeros, one zero is root 5 by 3 and another zero is minus of root 5 by 3. Then we have to find the other two zeros. So if one zero x barabar this and another x is equals to this, then x minus root 5 by 3 is equals to 0 will be one factor. Similarly, x plus root 5 by 3 equals to 0 will be the another factor. So multiplying these two factors, x minus root 5 by 3 into x plus root 5 by 3 is equals to 0. If we multiply left to left and right to right, then so here see a minus b into a plus b. So x square minus root 5 by 3 whole square is equals to 0. Implies that it is x square minus 5 by 3 is equals to 0. Implies that taking LCM, this 3x square minus 5 is equals to 0. Whole upon 3 implies that 3x square minus 5 is equals to 0 will be the one factor. Now let it is gx and gx is equals to 3x square minus 5. Now we will divide the given polynomial by the gx 3x square minus 5 and then we will find the other two zeros. So this question is very important due to exam point of view. So by the given zeros we find out one polynomial and let it gx. Now to find the other zeros, first we will divide the given px by the gx. So 3x power 4 plus of 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if divided by 3x square minus 5, then see here all the term are in decreasing order of the degrees. So in the dividend, first term is 3x ki power 4 and in divisor 3x square. If we multiply it by x square, then x square into 3x square, that is 3x power 4. Then x square into minus 5, that is minus 5x square. For subtraction, change the sign minus plus. So these two terms will be cancelled out. Plus 6x cube minus 2x square plus 5, that is plus 3x square minus of 10x minus 5. Now, if we multiply the divisor first term by 2x, then 2x into 3x, 6x cube, 2x into minus 5 minus of 10x. On subtracting, change the sign. So plus minus minus plus. These two terms will be cancelled out. The remaining is 3x square minus 5. So if we multiply by plus 1 now, then 1 into 3x square, 3x square and plus 1 into minus 5, that is minus 5. On subtracting, change the sign again, minus plus. So these two terms will be cancelled out. Remainder is 0. Now here, quotient is quotient equals to x square plus 2x plus 1. Now for other zeros, this quotient should be equals to 0, implies that x square plus 2x plus 1 should be equals to 0. Now see, what is x square plus 2x plus 1? It is x plus 1 whole square, because a square plus b square plus 2ab into, okay, so we can write it x plus 1 whole square is equals to 0, implies that x plus 1 into x plus 1, there are two factors, x plus 1 into x plus 1 barabar 0, implies that x is equals to minus 1, minus 1. These are the two other zeros. So the zeros of given polynomial px are root 5 by 3 minus root 5 by 3 minus 1 and minus 1. So these are the four zeros of this given polynomial, and this question is very important question due to exam point of view.